Hey, everybody! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to reset that annoying tire pressure sensor light on any Toyota Highlander from the 2001 models all the way up to the fresh 2025 ones. Whether you're rocking an older ride or rolling in something brand new, I've got you covered. No need to visit the dealership, and you won't need any fancy tools. Just you, your Highlander, and a few simple steps to get rid of that warning light for good. So let's dive in. If you've got one of the older Highlanders, there's a physical reset button for the tire pressure monitoring system. So let's hop in and go through it step by step. Step 1. Make sure all your tires are properly inflated. You'll find the correct PSI on the sticker inside the driver's door. Step 2. Turn the ignition key to the on position. Step 3. Now, let's find that reset button. For 2001 to 2007 models, check under the steering wheel. For 2008 to 2013 models, the tire set button is located on the lower right of the steering wheel. For 2014 to 2019 models, it's tucked above the pedal area, close to the parking brake pedal. Once you spot it, press and hold the button until the tire light on your dash blinks 3 times, and you're done. If you're driving a newer Highlander, the reset process happens through the vehicle's multi-information display. So here's how to do it. Step 1. Make sure your tires are inflated to the recommended pressure. Please check the sticker inside the driver's door. Step 2. Turn the car on. Step 3. Use the navigation button on your steering wheel to navigate to the gear icon. Step 4. Scroll over to the right and find the Vehicle Settings menu and hold OK button. Step 5. Go into TPMS menu. Step 6. Highlight the Set Pressure option and hold down the OK button until the system resets and you're done. And just like that, you're done. That pesky tire light should now be off, and you didn't even have to leave your driveway. If this helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe for more DIY car tips, and drop a comment if you've got questions or your own tricks to share. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.